Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to hide a fillable text box using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my fillable PDF and I'll hide this fillable text box. Now click on this form option and select field and active for editing and drag your mouse cursor and select your text field. I'll hide this two of these. Now click right button and select properties option and properties dialog box. Go this general option and here you will find this form field option. This is visible and click on this down arrow and simply make it hidden and select close and select hand option and see this fillable text box now hidden and finally select this file option, save or save as in fillable PDF form and see this, and there is no fillable text box. Yeah, in this way you can hide your fillable text box using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.